After months of working in Australia, it's finally time for our long-awaited New Zealand adventure. Over the next 3 months, we'll explore everything, from snowy peaks and golden beaches to wild encounters with chaos, and even surfing on ice in a glacier lake. But before we can hit the road, let's start from the beginning. Before we could finally leave, we had to pack. And yeah, it was a bit of a mess. One last brekkie with an incredible view over Brizzy, and then off we go.
Our first night. We just arrived now.
Good bathroom, toilet, shower, and the beautiful kitchen, and the office. 1.2 degrees outside. 1.2. What the hell? I knew it's cold, but that cold? The weather is beautiful again. Breakfast with some friends.
And another day looking for cars. Wow. Vans. We got our Uber driver here, Arno. That poor guy.
First van check. Was not too bad actually, from a German dude. Now we have 1 hour of spare time.
Our first days in New Zealand were all about finding a van, checking out different ones every day, hoping to get on the road as soon as possible.
Did we find a van or no? Yes?
Yes, yes!
Yes, we found a van! Thanks to this guy as well. Legend!
Yummy. Go back in. Yeah.
Hey, I'm here. I'm here.
After a few busy days of van hunting, we finally found our new home on wheels and could actually start enjoying Christchurch a little. We wandered through the Botanic Gardens, explored the city centre and even had a little night out. Live jazz at Fat Eddie's, some board games at Slice and Dice with friends, and dinner at Little High Eatery, where there's something for everyone. It was the perfect way to kick off our new New Zealand adventure.
Laura, how did the game go?
Very good.
Very good.
I won.
It's time to buy our van. Only 1 more minute to drive and then we pick it up, pay for it. It's a little bit of money, but hopefully worth it, and then we don't need our chauffeur anymore. He can be free again.
Freedom! Freedom! First ride. How do you
Not
feel?
really the first ride, I had already test drive. But
Yeah, but now it's ours.
I don't know. I don't feel a difference at the moment.
So we just bought the van.
Alright, let me show you the van a little bit. Front looks pretty good. Nice and clean. Here we have our future kitchen and sink and everything. We have to clean up, we're just sorting out what we got with the van, what we will need. So you can sit here, you can sit on that one. That one is basically for the bed, so we can pull out the bed over here to sleep. We have some boxes here.
I'm small enough.
Laura is perfect, she can sit. Then we have over there
So
storage rooms. Perfect actually. And we have here electricity. That's really handy. Inverter. Can charge all our devices.
light.
Oh, we got another water bottle for Laura.
Yeah, light.
Lights.
It's good.
And then got the bag here. We got like a toilet down here. You need them in New Zealand. Table, chairs, camping shower, and a frisbee. A little bit more storage. And what's really good as well is we have a good box on the roof for storage and an awning. That's pretty cool as well. Yeah, that's it for now. Let's see what we find and what we have to buy today. Spending a bit more money. Look at her! First time driving in New Zealand and the new van.
Yes, I'm so happy.
Looking forward
Backpacker
for
life.
our backpacker van life. After 5 years in Australia without one, it's about time that I got one.
Yeah.
See ya!
After buying the van the next day, we gave it a proper deep clean, washed all the sheets, stocked up on supplies and filled the water tanks. Everything was ready. Tomorrow the adventure would finally begin.
Everything is ready to go.
But it's a mess. Tonight is, preparation. We got a fridge from Arno. What a legend. It's a small one. And yeah. Let's see how it goes tonight. Oh, and we got our Frontier Fitness done as well. The car is on my name now. Whoop, whoop. And look, my little companions. Finally we're leaving Christchurch. Everything is done. A bit late, it's 5:30, but we made it. Car's alright. Got everything, I think, all the supplies.
And finally, it happened. We hit the road for the first time. Our first drive through New Zealand's countryside, seeing rolling green hills, endless farmland, and of course, the first sheep.
So now we have to know how we can we do the bed with all the sheets for the first time. Everything. It's a bit a mess.
Just for the blanket.
And first dinner.
Hello. Not too bad.
First dinner in the van.
I love those curtains. Yummy. Good morning. Good morning, Laura. First night in the van, I would say, was alright.
First thought of the day. At the moment, after one night in the van, do you prefer the 4x4 or the van to sleep?
For sleeping, to be fair, I prefer my rooftop tent for now. So we have to get used to it and everything, but I don't have to open and close anything. We can just roll in and roll off. It's perfect.
After leaving Christchurch late yesterday afternoon, we drove all the way to our first quick stop, Hanmer Springs. We spent our very first night in the van, had a quick look around town, finally flew the drone, and then hit the road again, heading north towards Abel, Tasman.
Beautiful view.
We stopped along the road to take in the incredible landscape, and a little later had breakfast at a beautiful spot tucked away in the forest. A perfect start to the day.
Nah. This doesn't look good. This is our hike, our path. Guess we have a little problem with our first little hike and walk on Lake Rotorua. I think it was a bit too much rain in the last days. Maybe I should change into my swimming pants. Maybe that would be a good idea.
Before heading up to Abel, Tasman, we made an extra stop at Lake Rotorua. We hoped to do a few short walks along the shore, but they were completely underwater. So instead, we grabbed the drone and got some beautiful shots from above. After a quick look around St. Arno, we headed to the camp, cooked dinner, and went to bed early, ready for our first big hike the next morning, the Mount Robert Circuit. it was way too cold to stay up late anyway.
Time to start our first hike, a little bit bigger. Hopefully better than yesterday, but there's no water on, so it should be fine. It's a bit chilly, to be fair. So, hat, gloves. Yeah. Laura is in full winter outfit. Oh yeah, let's see how it goes. Climbing Mount Robert. It's like, yeah, going to be a little hike.
8.5.
Let's see. It's only 8.5, but 600 meters elevation. Let's see how long it takes us. Let's do it. 10 minutes on the hike, and she's already getting hot. And I'm out of breath. Up, up, up we go.
It was freezing up here, so Laura didn't waste a second. Straight to the hut.
We're doing this?
Never.
For sure.
Oh, 1 hour down.
The hike was quite hard to go up there.
It was too cold.
On the top it was very windy and cold. But yes, a very beautiful hike. Amazing view. Yeah, good day. No?
Amazing girl. Amazing boy.
If you want to see more of our journey, make sure to subscribe and follow along, because next we're heading up to Abel Tasman and the surrounding areas. Can't wait to share it with you.